The jungle's carnivorous birds that attack in the night. In the dense jungles, one of the most fearsome nocturnal hunters is the spectacled owl. Known for its stealthy nighttime attacks, this carnivorous bird preys on small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Using its excellent night vision and near-silent flight, the spectacled owl ambushes its unsuspecting prey from above. Its sharp talons and strong beak allow it to swiftly kill and consume its victims. While small prey stands no chance, even larger animals like possums can fall victim to this owl's deadly night raids. The jungle's darkness provides the perfect cover for these silent hunters to strike with terrifying precision.